Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into the design and implementation of a but button, or a disagreement or counterpoint button, including code examples in JavaScript/HTML. We'll explore different design considerations, approaches to handling user interactions, and considerations for integrating it into a larger system. Concept and purpose. The core idea of a but button is to allow users to express a qualification, disagreement, or counterpoint in response to a preceding statement or opinion. It's not a simple dislike or downvote, but rather an indicator that the user wants to add nuance or express a different perspective. Design considerations. 1. Visual design asterisk. Iconography *. A common approach is to use an icon that suggests disagreement or a different direction. Examples include a sideways arrow pointing to the left or right. An ellipsis, to indicate something is being added. A but text label itself, potentially stylized. An icon representing a balancing scale, suggesting a counter-argument. A not symbol like a / across a checkmark. Placement *. The button should be visually associated with the content it's responding to. Typically, it's placed near the original statement, often alongside other interaction buttons, like, comment, share. State feedback * provide clear visual feedback when the button is clicked. This could involve changing the button's color or appearance. Displaying a confirmation message. Animating the button, example a slight bounce or pulse. 2. User interaction click action what happens when the button is clicked. Simple toggle the button acts as a simple on/off switch. Clicking it once marks the statement as butted, and clicking again removes the but designation. This is simple to implement but may not be expressive enough. Trigger input/editor clicking the button reveals a text input field or a more elaborate editor where the user can enter their counterpoint or qualification. This is more powerful but requires more complex implementation. Increment counter the button increments a counter representing the number of times people have butted the content. The display changes to the number. Handling multiple buts if the but feature involves an input/editor, consider how you'll handle multiple user responses. Will they be displayed as separate comments, or will there be a threaded conversation? 3. Data model storing but information how will you store the fact that a user has butted a statement? Boolean flag a simple has butted flag associated with each user/statement pair. Suitable for the simple toggle approach. Counter increment a counter for the number of times something has been butted. Database table a separate table to store the but responses, including the user ID, the statement ID, the content of the counterpoint, and a timestamp. This is necessary for more complex scenarios. Existing comment system integrate the but feature into an existing comment system, treating a but as a special type of comment. 4. Accessibility keyboard navigation ensure the button can be accessed and activated using keyboard navigation, tab key, enter key. Screen reader compatibility provide appropriate ARIA attributes to convey the button's purpose and state to screen reader users. For example, use ARIA label to describe the button and ARIA press to indicate whether it's currently active. 5. Integration with other features sorting/filtering consider whether you want to allow users to sort or filter content based on the number of buts it has received. Notifications do you want to notify users when someone butts their statement? Code example, simple toggle with JavaScript/HTML. This example demonstrates the basic but button functionality with a simple toggle. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk HTML asterisk. Asterisk a paragraph, p, holds the original statement. Asterisk a button, with the ID but button is the but button. It initially has the class but button. Asterisk a span element, span, displays the current number of buts. Asterisk CSS asterisk. Asterisk basic styling for the button. Asterisk dot active class is used to change the button's appearance when it's active. Asterisk JavaScript asterisk. Asterisk but button, a reference to the button element. Asterisk original statement, a reference to the paragraph element. Asterisk is butted, a Boolean variable that tracks whether the button is currently butted, active. Asterisk but button dot add event listener, click, this sets up an event listener that triggers the function when the button is clicked. Asterisk inside the click handler. Asterisk is butted equals, is butted, toggles the is butted variable. Asterisk if, is butted, else. Depending on the state. Asterisk adds or removes the dot active class. Asterisk update the button text to unbut or but. Asterisk increase or decrease the but count. Asterisk updates the button count. Code example, triggering an input field. This version displays a text input field when the but button is clicked. Key changes asterisk. Asterisk HTML asterisk. Asterisk an additional div with the ID but input container holds the text input area. It's initially hidden using style equals display, none. Asterisk a text area is used for multi-line input. A submit button is added. Asterisk CSS asterisk. Asterisk CSS sets the input field to display, none on load. Asterisk JavaScript asterisk. Asterisk references to the input container and submit button. Asterisk clicking the but button sets but input container style display equals block to show the input field. Asterisk the but submit add event listener, click, handler. Asterisk gets the value from the input field. Asterisk performs an action, in this example, it just logs to the console. Asterisk clears the input field and hides the container again. Important considerations for real-world applications asterisk. Asterisk server-side integration asterisk the code examples above are client-side only. In a real application, you would need to send the user's but data, example the counterpoint text, user ID, statement ID, to a server-side endpoint. The server would then store this data in a database. You'd likely use technologies like asterisk backend languages asterisk Python, with Flask or Django, Node.js, with Express, Ruby on Rails, PHP, with Laravel, etc. Asterisk databases asterisk PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, etc. Asterisk API endpoints asterisk create an API endpoint, example /API/but, that accepts post requests with the but data. Asterisk authentication asterisk you'll need to authenticate users before allowing them to but content. This typically involves user accounts, logins, and server-side session management or JWT, JSON web tokens. Asterisk security asterisk sanitize user input on both the client side and server side to prevent cross-site scripting, XSS, vulnerabilities. Asterisk real-time updates, optional if you want to display but counts or counterpoints in real time, you can use technologies like asterisk WebSockets asterisk a persistent connection between the client and server, allowing for bidirectional communication. Asterisk server sent events, SSE, a one-way communication channel from the server to the client. Asterisk error handling. Asterisk include proper error handling in your JavaScript code, example using try, catch blocks, to gracefully handle unexpected errors. Asterisk rate limiting. Asterisk consider implementing rate limiting to prevent users from excessively butting content, example to avoid spam or abuse. Asterisk moderation. Asterisk if you allow users to enter counterpoints, you might need moderation tools to remove offensive or inappropriate content. Asterisk UI frameworks. Asterisk for larger projects, consider using a UI framework like React, Vue.js, or Angular to help manage the complexity of your application. Example of sending data to a server. Summary. The but button can be a valuable feature for encouraging thoughtful discussion and adding nuance to online interactions. By carefully considering the design, data model, and integration aspects, you can create a but button that enhances your user's experience. Remember that the best approach will depend on the specific needs and goals of your application. The simple examples here provide a solid starting point for building more complex and robust implementations.